Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today, I'm going to show you where you get yourself a Tetroise. A giant brick of a creature. It's really just a portable, fortification, and it's found over here in the desert. We're going to go get one. Alright, so once you're over here in the desert, I'm not saying it's not hard to find these things. But it's not. You'll know them when you see them. I promise. They're a giant box. And they're usually just over here around these... Well, they're in a number of places, but I've seen them constantly over here amongst these cactus trees in the start of the desert area. So you'll probably be able to find one relatively quickly by just going back and forth a couple of times. And there's also a stingy boy here as well. If you would like a giant, angry scorpion, the world is your oyster in that case. Oh, here we go. Here's where one spawned. It's literally right next to where I started. I just had to patrol all the way over there till everything else despawned around here. And then one spawned. But yeah, it literally looks like someone built like a 1x1 like brick hut in Minecraft. So we're just gonna shoot it and say hello. And then I've got Lunaris that... Oh, okay, my mount's getting a little excited. Oh, don't kill it. Almost out. There we go. Oh, he's a bit of a gnarly customer. He doesn't like getting caught to that kind of ball. Fine. We'll up it to an exotic sphere. You know, that's how you get a Tetroise. They're literally just wandering around as little blocky houses inside of the desert. So if you're looking for something like that, this is the perfect place to find one. Now that you've caught a Tetroise, I suppose you'll want to know what exactly it is that they're good for. So while at base, it increases the mining work suitability level for all other base pals by +1, but does not stack with other mining boosts. So that's really handy. You can also ride it. It's got a really high defense rating. It's got an okay work speed for mining. It's got a level 4 mining, which turns into a level 5 with its buff here at the base. And then it can also be ridden, but at the same time, it's really slow, so I don't know that I really want that as my primary mount, but you do have the option if you want to roll around on a giant golden turtle. So, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Actually, I think it's a tortoise, before anyone gets mad at me, but anyway, I'll catch you later. Bye.